So next, run disk cleanup. So disk cleanup is useful when your system lock and space the critical cache file such as Windows Update cache file in the case corrupted or bugs for this. Okay, so click to start and type disk cleanup. Okay, and run as administrator. Okay, so open this, select download program file, temporary internet file. Okay, scroll down, find out Microsoft Defenders, this one, check, and direct sender cache, this one. Okay, and uncheck to temporary file. If you select this one, so automatically clean your recycle bin. Okay, if your data, you can uncheck it and then okay, and then now this is cleaning. Windows update cleanup. So it will take some time. Okay, so it will complete it after you restart your system. Okay, thank you. So this is a SFC scanner. So how to run? This is command. I will give you this command in the video descriptions. So open CMD, click to start and type CMD. Right click to run as administrator. Then yes. So this is first command. Okay, copy and paste. If guys it is not copy paste, so you can type manually. Okay, so step by step, one by one, enter the command. This is first, second, third, fourth. Then second, then third, then last. So guys, check back sector in your drive, click to start and type cmd, right click to run as administrator, then click to yes and type chkdsk space c column and hit enter. Now this is start for the scanning and check your ssd and hdd to health. Okay, first step complete. Now this is second is working, almost 60% complete. So finally we can check the result. If your disk issue, so we can show in this result. Okay, we are able to show this is 0 KB in bad sector. Okay, this one, so means no issue from your disk. So guys, how to run CHKDSK? Click to start and type cmd and right click to run as administrator. Then click to yes. For administrator rights, type CHKDSK space C column. C means your C drive and space slash F space slash C and then hit enter and then click to yes. So guys, if you repair some other drive like DEF, so you can after that restart. Restart your system, then properly deep scanning, like start this one. Okay, fix C drive. After that, your system will be restart. Welcome screen. Okay.